The Teapot Dome scandal. You hear this talked about a lot as really the first scandal that involved the president directly and got up to the level of the cabinet. So this takes place in 1922. This is basically about 100 years ago. The Teapot Dome refers to basically a plot of land in California. And I want to take you back to a time where, like, the US domestic production of oil was all the oil they had. They didn't get oil from other places. Everything they produced in the country was consumed in the country. And so the US Navy needed to have a steady supply of it. And so they find this oil in California under the Teapot Dome. Well, the good news is that they can use that and the Navy was going to reap the benefits. The bad news is that it's ripe for potential corruption. So Albert Fall, who was the Secretary of the Interior, was charged with accepting bribes from various oil companies in exchange for the exclusive rights to drill for the oil underneath there. It was the first time in history that a US cabinet official had been convicted and went to jail. So it's an interesting relationship. And Warren Harding is considered to be a sort of a lousy president because he was sort of facilitated this, kind of this backslapping, let it go along kind of a thing. And as a result, obviously, the scandal happens. We actually talked our first week about the presidential greatness measures and how Warren Harding typically is very low on that list, and this is one of the reasons why.